Pricing yourself as a creator is one of the hardest parts about the job. You don't want to lowball yourself, but you also don't want to lose the deal by asking for too much. And most of the time, you're just guessing. So we built something to fix that. What's up, everyone, and welcome back to another video. My name is Ivan, and I'm the content producer here at Beacons. And today we're walking through the Beacons Pricing Calculator, a tool built to take the guesswork out of brand deal pricing. Here's how it works. You connect your social accounts and Beacons pulls your actual stats, and you get a tailored rate based on your real performance. Then you can adjust that based on the deliverable, either it's a reel, story, dedicated post, whatever the brand needs. So when you walk into that negotiation, you're not throwing out a number and hoping for the best. You've got data behind it. Let's get into it. Head into Beacons, and on the left-hand navigation, you'll find a brand new tab called Business Tools. Click that and you'll land right in the revamped pricing calculator. If you're on mobile, click the More icon at the bottom right, hit Business Tools, and then Pricing Calculator. If you haven't connected your socials yet, your screen should look like this. To connect, just hit any of the connect buttons, make sure the right platform is selected, and you'll either be prompted to log in or confirm the connection, and that's it. Most platforms work exactly like that. Instagram is the one exception. There, you'll see two options. Full auth takes a bit longer, but unlocks more features and deeper analytics. Quick Connect is the simpler route, similar to what I've just showed. So if you want a full breakdown of that, the tutorial is linked above. Each deliverable is priced individually, so adding or removing them changes the total significantly. On the right, you'll see a running total with a full breakdown of what each one costs. But here's the part a lot of creators sleep on, the add-on section right below the deliverables. These are things you can and should be charging for, but most people just never ask. So let's run through them real quick. Paid usage rights. It lets the brand run your content as paid ads. Longer terms command a higher rate. Organic usage rights. Lets the brand reuse your content organically on their own channels. Whitelisting. Grants the brand access to run ads through your own social handle. Exclusivity. Bars you from working with competing brands for the selected term. And link in bio. Features the brand link in your bio for the selected term. Before you ever send a brand a quote, you want to know which of these apply. Because as you can see, once I add them all in, the number changes drastically. That's money you would have missed just by not asking the right questions up front. So now you've got your number, but how do you hold it in a negotiation? Right below the price breakdown, there's a pull down section called How to Negotiate From Here, with tips to help you land as close to this number as possible. The general idea is to quote a little bit above your calculator rate to give yourself some wiggle room. If the brand doesn't push back, great, you got more than expected. If they come back lower, you'll still land right in your target range. It's a simple strategy, but having a data-backed number to anchor makes the whole conversation a whole lot easier. The pricing calculator is available to all Beacons users. The link's in the description to get started. If this video helped you out and figure out what you should actually be charging, drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and check out our other videos for more creator tips and tutorials. All right, I'll see you next time.